So welcome to once again another session with Dr. Fresh, and today we're doing causes of amnesia. So the first thing is, what is amnesia? Amnesia is loss of memory. It's interesting to know that there are two types of amnesia. We have temporary and we have permanent. So a person can have loss of memory, and with time or in good time they'll begin to remember things again. And sometimes people will have loss of memory and they will never ever recover from it. It can be as bad and it can be so bad that they may not even be able to identify their family members, their partners. While some persons may have loss of memory, and with time they will regain their memory. So if they do not recover from it, it's called a permanent. While if they do, it's a temporary amnesia. And there are other kinds of amnesia. We have anterograde and retrograde, but we're not going to go down that in this concept. What we are interested in talking about is, what are the causes of amnesia? What are the causes of loss of memory? So we have about 9-10 causes of loss of memory. The first, poor sleep. When people do not sleep well, they definitely have foggy memories. They have issues remembering what transpired the previous day, issues remembering very deep integrities in their lives. The second thing is aging. As people do age and hit a certain age, there's usually loss of some of the neurons that are responsible for memory function in the hippocampus, as it were. For some reason, we have what we call the senile dementia, wastage of memory that comes with age. So aging, and sometimes you see some of our grandparents in the village, they say things out of context, they act in a certain way, they ask you very funny questions. Some may even finish eating and ask you what did they eat, and a host of other things, because there's a lot of wastage of memory. Dementia, and then aging is responsible for that. Okay. Number 3, there are certain diseases that have been seen to be attributed with loss of memory. Infection, infective. Number 1 is syphilis. So syphilis, there are levels of syphilis and their severity of syphilis. Syphilis can lead to loss of memory. 2, under the infection, is HIV. Okay, HIV/AIDS, as it were, can lead to loss of memory. When the immune system is attacked, the virus begin to gain preponderance in the blood, and they begin to attack. With time, they begin to overwhelm the neurons in the brain. The person begin to lose memory, forget things, inability to put things, their cognitive function will be impaired. So it's very important, that syphilis and HIV could combine.